Hey, in my next video, let's play Spot the Beaver.
Spot the Beaver, eh? I tell you what, here in Australia, the two-legged variety, the female variety there is beaver. I tell you what, absolutely unbelievable.
Big tires. Big tires. Tiny tires. Let's go. Oh, the dinosaur fell off. I need knobby tires. No, I'm good. Just need how to learn how to drive, that's all. She is a subscriber to my channel. You hit the beaver. Oh no! You sent him for a swim.
Going up the bank with your muddy tires is going to be a challenge.
It might be, but I got somebody there to pull me. Okay. I'm taking this way. Man, it looks deep though. Holy cow. Am I waterproof? I think I am. Let's find out. Tiny tires. Go! Oh. Stop working. Why is it working now? Receiver is right at the front. No, I don't think so. But everything's working. What the heck did he not?
Your nose is pretty far in there.
I know, but it never stopped before. I've had it in the water before.
Gotcha, okay.
That was weird. It just touched the water and it stopped. Okay, you go.
Take two.
Yeah, maybe my tiny tires would not have been able to do that. We'll try it another day. We'll take the safe way. Yeah, it is pretty deep today. The water's high.
It's all that moisture.
No, but I am waterproof. I did waterproof the receiver, and well, that's the only thing in there that could be waterproof is the receiver.
Make sure your antenna's up nice and high.
Yeah, it is. Thanks for the push. Yeah, you need friends when you go in the bush.
Especially when you have a wet beaver.
Especially when you have a wet beaver, yes.
That's why you go deep in the bush to look for wet beavers.
I get by with a little help from my friend. I get by with a little help from my friend.
More water coming up too. Another lovely water crossing point. Okay, there's a white picket fence around a little grave there. A little grave going there.
It's not even the right plane that she drove. Let's try that. See if my truck's going to stop again. Put my nose in the water again, see what happens.
I wanted to make maybe next year be able to go transit.
Oh yeah?
Little
bridges or?
Yeah, little slats or something to go. For some people to go around. As long as we can get the right turn in there. There you go.
Tiny tires, I'm rubbing. Need a push. My chassis is rubbing. There we go.
Wait, stop there. Take your time. We're gonna make people wish they were here today. All race with no reverse. So there's sport, which is normal, then you have race, training mode, trail mode, and trail mode. Give you 100% drag brake, and trail will do 50%. Plus one has instant brake.
Talk about a guy put on street tires coming the trails. Showing off. Show off. Come on, get out of trouble now. You put yourself in that spot. Come on. There you go. Man, the width of this is very narrow compared to biggest issue is people here when they come across, they swing over right away to the other side.
Yeah.
They got to wait till you're at the end of the first thing, then you switch over.
Yeah, they're only watching their front tires.
Ah, hello, let go you, bow.
That's what it does that to the hood, I think, too.
It did it to the roof, the seal. Whoa! I fell into the burning ring of fire, and it burns, burns, burn, and the flames went higher. Ah. Oh! It lives life. You hear that? The brakes?
Yep. Pretty good for sensorless.
My tires are all gummed up.
And you need a crate here for the short people to stand on, though, and the kids.
Well, it wasn't pretty, but I got down. A crate for the kids to stand on? Now, who went and put big logs there? All those tiny tires are going to go through. See? 6x6 go where tiny tires go. Or tiny tire goes where 6x6 go. Hey, what are you hold up for? Oh, the skeleton's holding you up. Lifting up the rear end. He's saying you're not going anywhere.
Cheater.
My rear end is getting hung up. Oh, no, watch out. I'm stuck on the... Okay, give me a push.
Your defrost line is up there, right? Turn some AC on the turkey. More floor on fire. Brushing the trails.
At this point, this is where you're supposed to move this Yeah, that guy did. He carried that after just to get the middle wind by here to the time to drive home, and then he decided, well, stop the truck up there.
Jason's trying the no exit with a TRX6. So now he's doing his S-turns so he can position his truck. This is where, if you have good turning skills, you actually going to try that?
No,
Oh! Look at him doing a transfer from rope to rope.
He's got one back tire on, being transferred back.
And he did it. Yay, Jason did it. Was it tough?
Very tough. But luckily I have all this OC transport training.
Okay.
Third axle is no problem.
Says he drives a bus. As long as you don't drive the O train.
No. I just cover for the O train when it's down.
Okay.
Here's another bus driver. But he drives a hard bus that's harder to drive than mine. He's got a school bus.
Am I on the right one? The right wires?
Sure.
Yeah, either one.
You can, either one will work. It all depends on how wide your tires are. The main trick of this is that you cannot be beside your truck. So you're going to have to be far away from your truck. And yes, they do sag, but it does hold your truck there a little bit more. So now he has to turn around and come back this way.
I don't know which is the best way to...
It's just unlocked there?
No.
Yeah, you want them unlocked.
Geez, I only had front wheel drive there. Front lock before. Get my bum over now. Sheesh. Can't get my butt over there more.
Keep doing your S-turns. It'll get there.
The trick is fixing it.
Uh-oh. I think he's in trouble now.
Yep.
Now he's going to have to walk all the way around to go get it.
Guess I failed.
Is this considered as a hand of God?
No, it's a hand of Jason.
It's It's a hand of Jason? Okay.
Then you re-edit the film.
So you mean I got to cut that part out?
Yeah, you got to cut that out.
Okay. I'll do that.
Good job, Greg. I think it's a bit small over there for turning around.
No, it's not. We'll go get it.
Have you ever done a collection tour?
Collection tour?
Like
What do you
tour
mean?
of your whole RC collection?
No.
Not on video.
Okay, how do I get up there? Very carefully, he
I
says.
got an in-person tour, but it wasn't a video tour.
Wow, nice.
Wasn't pretty, but I got up.
Yeah, that was, hey, actually that was pretty good. I'm impressed.
My rear bumper was right on the log.
This is getting to be the challenge over here.
You want me to go there with that little tiny truck?
This is getting to be the yellow flag over here. Not where I was going straight up and over the log while I moved the yellow flag over there because somebody stepped on the log and broke it and made it too easy. But where I'm going through.
Jason, where are you going? You're missing a flag.
I'm gonna catch a Land Rover.
Oh, you're going to catch, how to catch a Land Rover, he says.
He's nice and low G there. So you get
You told me that this thing is right on side hill. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking.
Okay, the big challenge is getting over those big friggin' logs.
See, we're like this was a nice challenge until somebody stepped on this and broke it.
Okay.
But because of that side hill, might have to switch the flags.
Don't know, but that's pretty hard for my tiny tires. I'll try up here where Jason says he goes through his Sissy 01. See if this guy's going to do it. Grab one wheels up there.
Yeah, your bumper.
Yeah, I know. Now I'm going to have to throttle out of there. Okay. Go! Whoa! Da, da, da.
We'll edit the hand out of it.
Okay, we'll edit that part out of the video. Here comes show off guy.
I think it's competition. I'll bring the CCO in the next time you bring out your Land.
Hey guys, it was fun. Thanks for watching. And remember, charge up some batteries, go out there and have some fun. And break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Thanks. We'll talk to you guys later. Cheers.